Hey guys, in this episode, I talked to you guys about why you need to spend more time than just listening. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to the show. In my experience being an entrepreneur, I've dealt with a lot of people that listen but don't intend to actually listen to what the other person is saying. So in my mind, you're there, but you're not there. So you have to, in order to get your point across, you have to listen to what the other person is saying, what their point of view is, and judge for yourself where your expertise lies in. Because if you have a person that deals in, let's see, construction or the financial market or in NFTs or any other field, you have to listen to what they say. You have to get their side of what they're trying to sell, because it's not all about you selling. If they're trying to sell you something, you have to listen to their pitch, listen to what they're trying to push out into the market, whether it's NFTs, whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks, whatever the case is. You just have to be aware, be self-aware of what they're focusing on and where and what direction you want to go in. Because a lot of times, you know, dealing with a lot of influencers I came across, they've always asked, well, hey, can you help me start a podcast? Do you know how to start a podcast? Do you know how to work with sponsors? All of that stuff. So my question is that have you tried it yourself? Have you actually worked with that sponsor? So it's not all about them coming to you as the expert. You want to help them, and you also want to guide them, not hold them by the hand, but you want to guide them on where they have to be. You want to put them in a place where they understand, you know, self-awareness, empathy, kindness, all of those core values. You want to help them understand, but you also want to flip the script and help them understand the business aspect of it, how to grow a business, how to fund companies, how to, get your foot in the door. So there's a lot of tangibles that go along with this, and all you have to do is be willing to have an open mind, a good ear, and to eventually work on what you have to deal with in your business, in your company, in your professional life. So my tip for you guys is be more self-aware, be more empathetic, and also focus on your passion. Hey guys, I'm glad you enjoyed the podcast episode. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know. You guys can tweet me at csnakedog13 on Twitter and let me know what you guys think. Or if you guys want, you guys can leave me a voice note on Anchor FM, letting me know what you guys enjoyed about it, and if you guys also want to partner as well.